Hi everyone, my name is Zara, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. Let me know what you're doing over the holidays as Christmas is coming up in a few days. So basically, as you can see here, I've got some fans. So I bought some craft blanks from Hobbycraft. I will put a link in the description, and it came in a pack of 3. And basically I wanted to draw on it, so you might have just seen that I showed a picture of Ponyo. So yep, I'm doing Ponyo on the fan. And so that I had a smooth surface, I decided to remove the paper from the fan. So I basically cut the left and right sides, and I pulled this off as these sticks in the middle of the fan, which helped open it up, weren't actually glued in or anything, so it was really easy to take off. And I also made sure I marked down the left and right hand sides. And I decided to do a scene from the film Ponyo. So I went onto the Studio Ghibli website. The company were kind enough to put a bunch of images from their various films onto the website, so you can go ahead and just download any picture you like. So that was really handy. And I went into Photoshop and I put half the picture on an A4 and the other half of the picture on another A4 and printed it out and stuck this together. I then went ahead and basically traced this using my lightbox. So this is a lightbox that I made myself. It's super budget and cheap, but it does the job. I'll put a link in the description so you can check that out, and also probably a card as well. And then once I was happy with the traced version, I went ahead and coloured it in. So I don't really have any fancy colouring pencils. These were actually given to me by a friend kindly. And I also like to use a piece of scrap paper or card, so you can kind of scribble the colour on and see what it looks like before going ahead and putting on your actual picture. So here is basically a quick time lapse of me colouring the fan. So once I'd finished colouring in, I grabbed some card for the left and right sides of the fan so I could kind of stick it back on, and it turned out that I only needed one side just due to the way that I cut it. And I left this part to the end actually, so I really tried my best to basically put these sticks back into the holes in between the paper fan, and I struggled for so long with this. I don't know, maybe you might find it easier, but this was so fiddly. So I decided to basically turn the fan over, and I glued all of like the fan sticks down. I marked out which, you know, part of the paper it had to go on so that I would stick it in the correct place. And on top of that, I also used some washi tape just to secure it as well. So it's up to you the way you do this. I just thought this will be easier, and with the glue and the washi tape it should really secure it into place. And after I did that, I went ahead and glued like my extra card, I think it was on the right side, and glued my left side down as well. And because of the way I'd glued it and I hadn't put like the sticks in, it meant that the left and right side kind of stuck out further, but I didn't mind that. I thought it looked quite cool, and I went ahead and used some more washi tape just to add a final touch to like the top of the left and right. Yes, so basically here is my final fan. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you would do on your fan. What would you do differently even? So yeah, if you enjoyed watching the video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!